Hello. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make light fluffy rice using two different techniques. Rule number one, you want to make sure you choose a pretty good brand of rice. It could make a world of difference. I usually use Uncle Ben's or minute rice. Today I'm using the minute rice. So the two different techniques is this time I'm not going to pre-rinse the rice, nor will I pre-boil the water. I'm going to mix it all together in the pot. I'm going to start with 2 cups of rice. And I'm going to put it in the pot and then add in 2 cups of water. I usually don't measure it, but I am measuring it today just for video's sake. I do recommend that you measure your ingredients until you get it down packed, because too much water or too little water could definitely ruin your chances at having light, fluffy rice. Okay, your eye is going to be set to maybe medium high or even high, because you want to bring it to a boil pretty quick. Add in your salt if you like salt in your rice. Don't over salt it. Add in your butter, but don't over butter it, just a little bit. Now, after you put in your extra little ingredients, you're going to bring that rice to a bubbling boil. Once it boils, you're going to cover it. You're going to let it boil for maybe 3 minutes tops. And then you're going to completely turn your stove off. The steam is going to keep the rice cooking, and the rice is going to absorb all the water for the next 20 minutes. By the time it's all absorbed, you will have a good idea, because it's going to look something like this. If you still see traces of water, at that point you just quickly put the top back on and let it sit for maybe 5 or 10 additional minutes. Congratulations, you did it. You made a pot of light, fluffy white rice. Now sit back and enjoy your bowl of rice. Thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below so that you won't miss out on my upcoming videos. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.